Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and today we are looking at the bus stop method division. So first things first, I will draw my bus stop. So this is my bus stop, not the best bus stop, but better than, well, I guess it's okay, but this is the bus stop, and the larger number will go inside the bus stop, so it's 180, and the smaller number will go outside the bus stop. So to work this out, what do we do? So first things first, we need to see if 3 goes into 1. So clearly we know that 3 doesn't go into 1, right? So that means we have to move over to 18. And we need to ask ourselves, does 3 go into 18? Yes, it does. Remember, 3 doesn't go into 1 because 1 is too small. But 3 does go into 18. So if you go through your 3 times tables, ask yourself, how many times does 3 go into 18? Or alternatively, 3 times what is 18? So clearly, if you know your 3 times table, you would know it goes 6 times, right? So 3 times 6 is 18. And finally, 3 into 0. We just know 3 goes into 0 just 0 times. So for that reason, the final answer will in fact be 60. So if you got 60 as the final answer, that is in fact correct. So just to double check, you can check if this is correct, because if you were to do the reverse and you were to do 60 times 3, you do get 180. So therefore, that is the correct answer. So this was a simple but easy way to work out these questions. Let's have a look at another question very quickly. So same concept. You've got the bigger number, 120, inside the bus stop. And then on the outside, you'll have 12. Does 12 go into 1? No, because it's too small. Does 12 go into 12? Yes, it does. How many times? It goes once, because 12 times 1 is 12, right? And again, does 12 go into 0? It goes 0 times, okay? So for that reason, the answer for this question will be 10. So this is a simple way to work out, especially when it comes to dividing numbers using the bus stop method. So we are going to, again, advise you all to practice, because with these questions, it requires lots and lots of practice. So here we have a slightly more challenging question. So we've got 1,210 divided by 11. So as mentioned, the larger number will go inside the bus stop. So we've got 1,210. And the smaller number will go outside the bus stop. So we know the smaller number is in fact 11. So we ask ourselves the question, does 11 go into 1? No, it doesn't. So as you know, 1 is too small. But does 11 go into 12? So we're looking at it here. Yes, it does. How many times does 11 go into 12? It goes once. So if you write here, it goes once. So I just put it above the 2. 11 times 1, as you can see, I'm just doing it like this. 11 times 1 is 11. And what's remaining from 11 to 12? It's actually 1. So I carry over that 1, attach it to the 1 here. Now I read this as 11 here, because I've attached that 1. Now 11 into 11, how many times does 11 go into 11? We already know this. It goes once, because 11 times 1 is 11. And finally, 11 into 0. How many times does 11 go into 0? It goes 0 times. So for that reason, your final answer here will in fact be 110. So again, this is a simple way to work out these questions using the bus stop method. And again, once again, it requires you to practice lots of these questions, because the more you practice, the more confident you'll be with these types of questions. So I hope you found this video beneficial. If you have any questions, anything you'd like to ask, please leave them in the comment section below. Do make sure you follow us on all social media platforms at Easy Education London for online tuition for GCSE Maths, English and Science, and also Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2 Maths, English and Science and A-Level tuition. Please contact our website at www.easyeducationlondon.com for more. Thank you for watching.